Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today. Ned Nwoko converts his wife Regina Daniels to Muslim, names her Fatima. There are rumors flying on the internet which suggest that Nigerian actress Regina Daniels may have switched her religion. Following the news of Regina Daniels' pregnancy, her billionaire husband, Ned Munir Nwoko, who is a Muslim, has resolved to convert Regina to Islamic life. Just so you may know, one of Ned Nwoko's wife is a Muslim from Morocco. We gathered that Ned Nwoko, after convincing a naive wife to switch from Christianity to Islam, named her Fatima. Okay guys, what do you think about this new development? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop.